Are you curious about how yoga can improve your health and well-being? 35-Day Detox is introducing its new online learning platform. Learn yoga for your health and well-being.
Have you done yoga in the past, but somehow you've stopped? Or have you had friends and family suggesting that you should take up yoga, but you don't know where to start? Or maybe you used to go to classes and you don't do that anymore. Well, we've got a new program that I think could be of interest to you. This program is somewhere between an online class and a yoga teacher training. So it's designed to give you the how and the why of taking up your own practice. Why is that important? Because when you take up your own practice, you start to have a conversation between your mind and your body. You check in with where you actually are each day, and then you can start deepening your healing journey. And yoga is a really great way to do that. I'm Sue Stokes, and I've been a yoga teacher now for over 10 years, and I have a studio in Ramadi South on the Kapiti Coast, which is where I'm filming today. It's a beautiful part of the world, very calm and not a not so calm world. So I'm inviting you to come into my studio virtually to learn with me how to do the basics, the fundamentals to create your own practice. It's a 6-week journey, but you can take as long as you like to do it. The course material is available for a lifetime for you, and you'll work your way through from the absolute basics till you have confidence to do your own practice. So this is your conscience calling. Come and join us and do some yoga today. Thanks.